Welcome to the Faculty Success Web Profile Training. Today we're going to be going over how to update your web profile through Faculty Success. At minimum, we do ask every faculty member to do have the profile picture, and we do ask to have a biography. Here is an example of a web profile that you have on Seton Hall University website. Please note that the name, your rank, and also your department, this is coming directly from the web team. So if you would like to update it, please make sure to submit a ticket to web@shu.edu to update it. When we're going to be creating your profile, we ask for your information, so it should be up to date, but maybe if you do get a promotion, the title might change, your rank might change. So this is going to be a reason why you should be submitting an update. The additional item that needs to be updated by a web ticket, it will be your photo. There's different opportunities for you to have an updated photo. We do have it for the new faculty orientation, faculty convocation, and as well during charter day. Also your telephone, your email, and then your location. This, if there's any changes to that one, it will be submitted by the web ticket. Everything starting under biography and below, it's coming directly from Faculty Success, and you will be able to update it directly, and you can update it as many times as you want. You want to make sure that the profiles are customizable. So we know that each department and each schools, they might have different needs. So what you see here on Marianne's profile, maybe not everything you would like to display. So if there's some items that you would not like to display, they're just not going to be appearing in the profile. Here, Marianne has her area of specialization, professional interest, education, and then the scholarship. Please note that the scholarship is divided by a type. So for example, here we have book chapters, and then also the newest publications will be showing up at top. Unfortunately, it will not allow to change it. But if you have a publication that maybe you did a couple of years ago, but it's a very important publication that you would like to highlight, what I always suggest is to put it here in your bio. So I would just add a couple more spaces in here, and then you can just add the highlight of your publication. Marianne also has notable courses taught. So again, this is not coming from Banner. This is not all the classes that you have been teaching this semester, but this is maybe just some of the highlights that you usually teach. So for example, Marianne has her research methods, orientation to the psychology major that she wanted to highlight, and same thing, you can update it as many times as you want, or just leave it as is. The other item that she highlights is her service. So same thing, this is something that she wanted to add. If you do not have any items that you would like to share for the service, this part will not be even showing on your profile. Logging into Faculty Success, you're going to be going to your Pirate Net, and then you're going to be looking for your Faculty Success checklist. So it might be in a little bit different spot for you, but it should look something like this. And then when you click on it, it's going to get you into the software. So it's single sign-in. So please make sure that you use your SHU credentials to log in. And as you can see here, this is our summary screen for Faculty Success. So for your annual reports, for your rank and tenure, for the merit applications. But please know that not every single screen has items that you can be putting in for your web profile. So the first screen that you should be looking at is your biography and expertise. This is where you're going to be putting in your information. So anytime you see that letter P, you will see that it says that this field will automatically be showing on your profile. So whatever you type in here, it's going to be showing up on your profile. So you can just add anything that you would like. Please make sure to do the spacing correctly, because that's how it's going to be showing up. Faculty Success does not have a spell check, but I know that a lot of people use Grammarly, so please make sure to use that one, or you can copy and paste your biography into Word documents to make sure that the spelling is correct. Once you put information in, you just click save, and it's going to automatically update for your web profile. The additional items that you can also show is the website. So you can show multiple websites in here. Make sure you put your URL, and then make sure you put how would you like the link displayed. If you don't put the link displayed, it's just going to be saying www.shu.edu. So if you like something else, you can just put SHU or Student Hall website. So it's going to look very nice on your profile. If you have more than one website, maybe you have a blog, maybe you have additional research pages, you can always click add another website, and then you can add as many websites as you would like. Additionally, faculty can upload documents. So maybe you have a short publication, maybe you have a painting or different art that you would like to display. Again, you can upload this document here, and it's a self-service. And then you can put the name of it. So then when people click on your profile, they can click on it and it's going to open their CV and they can look at it. If you would like to update it, you would just delete that document and then you can change it. Same thing when you click add another file, you can add additional documentation. Just a reminder that these documents will be showing up on your website. So anytime you see that P, it's going to be showing up automatically. If you don't have anything here, it's not going to say file on blank. It's just not going to be bringing even any attention to it. The next item is your area of specialization, professional interests. Again, you can put items in there. If you don't, it's not going to be showing up on the profile. You can see here, other interests, it does not have the P, so this item will not be showing up on your profile. Again, language, this is not something that's going to be displaying. So anytime you make a change, please make sure you click save, and then it's going to be showing up right away on your web profile. The other screens that will be displayed, it's going to be your under general credential and expertise. It's going to be your degrees, awards and honors, media contribution and interviews. If you click on any of those items, you can see here that there's a new column that says allow sharing. So anytime you click yes on the item, it's going to be displaying on your profile. So you can switch it. If you have a lot of different degrees in there, you can select as many as you would like, and they can display it. Again, if you would like not to share them, you can just switch it back to no. Anytime you add a new item into faculty success, whether you do it manually, so you type it in, or whether you're doing through ORCID integration or through any other upload like a BibTeX file, all your publications and all your items in faculty success will always have no to the sharing. So you always have to manually switch them. We just want to make sure that nothing will be displaying by accident that maybe you didn't want to display on your profile. So it will always be no, and then you can go in and then switch it to yes, and it's going to be displaying. One note when it comes to degrees, when you put your year completed, you can hide the year from the web profile. Always put the year completed in there, because this is going to be also order the degrees from the most recent one to the oldest one. But when you hide the year from the web profile, it's not going to be displaying. So an example was right here from Marianne. It says that she got her PhD, but it's not showing the year, but it's here in the faculty success. And it's very similar to like awards and honors. So again, here you see allow sharing. This is not going to be showing up, but you can always just switch it to yes. Scholarship and research. So your publications, your presentations, contracts, fellowship, grant, and sponsored research, exhibits and performances, intellectual property, all can pull information into your faculty success. So again, you'll be going in and then clicking, switching yes, and then your items will be showing up in your web profile. And then the final categories that you can display on your web profile, it is service. So these items are optional. If you have any, you can add them in here and you can display them. If you select nothing, it's not going to be showing up. please note that if there are any items that maybe your department or your school college usually suggests to have, make sure to reach out to myself at anna.kalka@shu.edu, and then I can work with you to make sure that we add it to the web profile.